Hey, today I'm going for a quick hike, 30k, maybe 25. Let me show you what I'm thinking. Let's start with this running belt from Decathlon, Evadict, and running backpack. My filmmaking gear, GoPro Hero 10, DJI Mini 3, power bank to recharge my phone, drone, 2 spare GoPro batteries, Ulanzi MTO8 tripod, cables to charge, snack, water, sunglasses, headphones, Galaxy Buds Live, headlamp, Actic Petzl, Actic Core, great headlamp, USB charge, wind jacket, buff, and thermal clothing because it's warm right now, so I don't need to have much clothes. That's gonna be it, and I'm gonna pack everything to this backpack and belt and Apple Watch. I'm gonna try to measure how many kilometers I walked today. Shoes Nike Wild Horse 6. They are very dirty but very comfortable. And me walking, but I want to go to sleep right now. I'm gonna edit my hiking video tomorrow. I have trekking poles, but I'm not gonna use them because I want to film more, keep my camera in my hands. So let's train without them, but they helped a lot. But yeah, it's gonna be harder.